Picture this, a pillow fight, but with pizza pillows. I am making my pesto pizza pillows, which are gonna be ooey gooey and cheesy, and they are so easy to make. For my filling, I'm starting with some sweet Italian sausage that I've already cooked, and I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of pesto. This is just store-bought with tons of basil and pine nuts. Yum. A 1/4 cup of Parmesan, extra saltiness and flavor. And then 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, which will melt down and hold everything together. I'll mix this to combine. All right, I'll grab my wrappers. I'm using store-bought wonton skins, which are gonna get really crispy and a little doughy when they're deep fried. And I'm gonna keep them covered with a damp towel so that they don't dry out. I'll brush this with a thin, even layer of egg wash, and this is gonna help glue the pillows together. I'll add a little bit of filling to the center, and then fold the corners in. It'll kind of look like an envelope. I'll overlap them just slightly so they seal together. I'll give the edges a gentle press to lock everything in, just like that. All right, I'll fill up the rest. I'm ready to fry. I've got my oil heating here to 360 degrees, and I'll fry these guys just for a couple of minutes until they're golden. Getting sizzly. And just make sure to turn them every so often to get them evenly cooked on both sides. Okay, these are lightly golden. I'm gonna transfer them now to a wire rack so that any excess oil can drip off, and the rack ensures that they'll stay crispy on the bottom. Oh, I'm smelling that sausage. I'll plate these up. Sprinkle with some Parmesan. Oh yeah, that looks good. And then you've got to serve these with marinara. Oh yeah. These pillows are always welcome at my sleepover. I'm gonna taste one immediately. These taste like childhood, but better.